Did you know that Kuwait is home to one of the world's oldest ocean-going boats? In 2001, archaeologists made an incredible discovery in Kuwait, the remains of a boat dating back to around 5000 BC. These ancient bitumen pieces, indented with reeds and barnacles, are believed to be the world's oldest known ocean-going vessel. This discovery sheds light on the advanced maritime skills of ancient civilizations in the region. Kuwait, a small but historically rich country nestled between Iraq and Saudi Arabia, has a fascinating past that stretches back thousands of years. Its strategic location along the Persian Gulf has made it a significant hub for trade and cultural exchange throughout history. The ancient boat remains are a testament to Kuwait's long-standing connection to the sea and its role in early maritime exploration. These early seafarers contributed to the spread of goods, ideas, and cultures across vast distances. So next time you think of Kuwait, remember its incredible maritime history that stretches back to ancient times. From the world's oldest ocean-going boat to its modern skyline,